Welcome back. Let's do question 221. Factorize the following expression fully. Here you can factorize the last two terms and then create a common bracket, which is r minus s, like this. So let's factorize the last two terms of the expression. So t squared and r minus s. And then we can factor out -1. So it becomes -1 outside. Let me just write 1 on those. It's not necessary to write it. So you have -1 here, and then outside then becomes positive r. Negative r divided by -1 is positive r. Then positive s divided by -1 is negative s. See that? Okay. So now we have a common bracket. We have two terms. This is a term. This is another term. And then these two terms have the highest common factor, which is r minus s. So what you do, you factor it out, say r minus s, then t squared, then r minus s divided by r minus s, then -1 r minus s divided by r minus s, then r minus s divided by r minus s is 1, r minus s divided by r minus s is 1, we remain with r minus s, and then t squared minus 1. So someone can say, let's take the common bracket. We form our first bracket here, r minus s. Then we take this term and this term. We take the coefficient of the first bracket and the coefficient of the second bracket, and then we form the second bracket here. The second bracket we have, it is the difference of two squares, because this is like 1 squared. So we can have r minus s, and then difference of two squares, we have our two brackets. Then there's plus, there's minus. The square root of t squared is t, the square root of 1 is 1. Square root of t squared is t, square root of 1 is 1. So we have factorized fully.